This is going to be a pretty quick video on how to make a dirt cheap platform feeder for birds outside. If you like birds, my wife likes watching birds, so I'm going to do something to keep it off the ground and get away from squirrels. So what I did is I got a 1-inch piece of PVC, which was like a buck, and this is a piece from a pipe that was 1.25 inches, and it slips over this perfectly, so it's a perfect fit. All I did is I hot glued a Chinese food container, the bottom of a Chinese food container. I pumped some hot glue inside there, let it dry, and then I went around the outside real thick so it's pretty strong, it won't come loose. And this will sit right on top of the end of the pole. The only thing I have to do is put a couple small drainage holes in there, so you want to poke like maybe 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you can fill it up. And I'm going to attach it to the side of my bird bath with a couple of brackets, and we'll see what it looks like. And there I have it. It's attached right to the side of the bird bath with only one bracket. There's a reason I did that. What's nice is this comes right off, but it won't blow off. And as you can see, it's kind of wobbly. Not really wobbly, it's tight. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my hot glue gun. I love using hot glue. The stuff just works great for everything. PVC, plastic, wood, doesn't matter. And down here, I'm going to bead over the top of this with hot glue. I'm going to build this up so it really locks it in tight. Keeps these screws out of the weather, and it'll make a nice seal around here so nothing rusts, nothing rots. And it'll really lock that thing in place. So, let's get to it. Alright, as you'll see, I wedged a screwdriver in here, and then I encased it with all in hot glue, the whole thing. Wrapped it right around the pole, really gobbed it up on the other side, and I got the screwdriver there just to help level it and lock it in place. And as soon as that cools off, I'll leave it in there. You don't want to take that out too quick, but I got a nice big, there's a block behind, and it wraps around, and it's going to be nice and level when it's all done. And there it is, my trash can bird bath with platform feeder. And if the squirrels get to it, then I'm going to come up with a booby trap for them. And a lot of people are going to say, oh, the seed's going to land in the water. Not a big deal. I'm going to put a little blocker on the side of that Chinese food container so they can't flick seeds down into the water. And we'll see how it goes. We'll test it. No, not yet.